2, 1, 0.
India's space agency launched a rocket towards moon orbit on Friday, on course for a landing on the lunar South Pole. The rocket blasted off from the country's main spaceport in the southern state of Andhra Pradesh. About 16 minutes later, the Indian Space Research Organization's Mission Control announced that the rocket had succeeded in putting the Chandrayaan-3 lander into an Earth orbit that will send it looping towards a moon landing next month. Over 1.4 million people watched the launch on YouTube, many offering congratulations. If the mission succeeds, India would join a group of 3 countries that have managed a controlled lunar landing: the United States, the former Soviet Union, and China. The spacecraft would also be the first to land at the South Lunar Pole, an area of special interest for space agencies and private space companies because of the presence of water ice that could support a future space station. Chandrayaan, which means moon vehicle in Sanskrit, is expected to land there on August 23rd. It will remain functional for 2 weeks, running a series of experiments. If successful, that would mark an unprecedented feat, advancing India's position as a major space power. Jitendra Singh is the Indian Deputy Minister for Science and Technology.
It's a moment of glory for all of us. It's a moment of glory for India. And I think a moment of destiny for all of us, that we are part of the history in making.
As the name suggests, this is India's 3rd lunar mission, and it's part of the country's greater bid to be a space power. During the last mission in 2019, the rover crashed after a hard landing. With this mission, they're aiming to land the rover near the moon's unexplored South Pole. Officials say the lander is due to reach the moon on August the 23rd. After the landing, scientists plan to deploy the rover and to conduct scientific experiments, including analyzing the chemistry of the lunar soil, measuring the temperature of the lunar surface, and scanning for moonquakes. On launch day, India's Prime Minister tweeted this, quote, 14th of July 2023 will always be etched in golden letters as far as India's space sector is concerned. Chandrayaan-3, our 3rd lunar mission, will embark on its journey. This remarkable mission will carry the hopes and dreams of our nation. Now, success would be huge for India. So far, only 3 countries have successfully soft-landed a craft on the moon: the U.S., the former Soviet Union, and China.